Welcome back, guys. In this video we're going to be taking a look at this Ethereum daily chart because there is a very bullish pattern. It's called a bullish divergence. We're going to be talking about that and what that means for the Ethereum price, my updated targets. We will be taking an updated look at Bitcoin as well to be answering the question of, is the price going to go lower? Is Bitcoin, is crypto, is Ethereum going down lower? Should we wait to buy more? Should we sell and buy later? All coming up, guys. So without any further delay, smash the like button and make sure you're subscribed for all my future time-sensitive updates, crypto predictions, news, analysis. So without any further delay, looking at the Ethereum chart here, what I wanted to show you was this bullish divergence. This is a classic textbook bullish divergence where we have the RSI, the relative strength index, creating higher lows. You can see there on the 12th of May, by the way, this is the daily chart, and another higher low on the 27th of May, and very high chance now we're going to create another higher low. I mean, you could say there's already a higher low, but ideally we want to see this line tested again, which could happen literally in the next 24-48 hours. Not only do you have the RSI higher lows and higher highs, what you also see is the price action becoming lower. And when you have two of these together, you have something that fits into this category. I know it's a bit blurry for you, but you have lower lows, lower highs on the price action, and on the RSI, which it says it here, I know it's a bit blurred, but higher highs creating here. And 9 times out of 10 almost, you could say 8.5, 9 times out of 10, you're going to get this very bullish breakout. And you can see if we go back in the chart to this point of time, let's zoom in a little bit, you can see that this happened on the 21st of February. We were creating higher lows in the RSI, higher highs, mostly higher lows in this one. So not as classic, but almost. But the important thing is you can see the price action was becoming lower as well. So you had the same sort of scenario where you had lower lows, lower highs, and higher lows, higher highs in the RSI. So the same thing is forming right now in Ethereum, which signals to me that we're going to anticipate a huge breakout. Now there's further confluence beyond the bullish divergence. You also have this situation where if I go into the weekly here, you can see, well, first of all, just so you know that this is a significant level of support, 1800, which we haven't broken on the weekly, so I am expecting a pop from that. But if you go further afield, we look at our Fibonacci retracement levels. So the very bottom of the previous bear market, which lasted almost 2 years, you could say, but the bottom was, this is crazy by the way, which was about $68-70. So if you draw a fib level, swing low all the way to the swing high where we went up to about $4,852 back in November. Anyway, if you do a swing low to swing high, the golden pocket or the golden ratio, these two bright yellow lines here, which is the 0.66, the 0.618, you can see that we bounced off of that on the 23rd of May, currently trading at $1,786. But the ultimate support, not only do you have this support line I was talking about in our bullish divergence, and this is already a bullish pattern when you have sort of a falling descending wedge, the ultimate support is that level, that 1,696 level. We haven't broken $1,700, but we could likely do that maybe in the next 24-48 hours. But in my opinion, this is the perfect time to go and put a long position on your preferred trading platform. As many of you know, I trade on BYBIT. In fact, whilst I have you here on a video, let's open up a trade. This is what I wanted to do. So I have a long position set for 12x leverage. I'm going to do a market order just to set this nice and easy. You can see I've got about 1,000 USDT just under my account. So I'm going to put half of that into a trade. Excuse me. So 12x, this is going to be basically a $490 trade. But for that, I'm opening up a position which is 3.25 Ethereum because I am 12x leverage. So I'm going to open that long position. So that will now be opened in my positions. You can see here, currently down 81 cents, but that will fluctuate heavily. I'm planning on keeping this position for a while. So let's talk about my take profit levels and also my invalidation levels for the Ethereum price, because obviously you need to have a stop loss when trading and you also want to be taking profit. So where am I looking to take profit and where am I looking for this to be invalidated? So my invalidation for this trade is going to be at around 1,650 $243. The reason being that is going to be beneath this support line, and it's going to be beneath the Fibonacci level, the ultimate support, which is about $1,697. And it's just a comfortable level that I can take. So it's going to be under $1,650. My take profit is going to be in stages. So the first take profit level, I am looking for a breakout of this pattern, and it's going to be taking us to the $2,150 level. You could take some profits out at about $1,950 because that is going to be a resistance level, but I'm looking at this as more of a short to mid-term trade. So the first take profit level for me is going to be up here. It's a 20% move, and as I'm over 10x leverage, it's going to be somewhere in the region of a 200% move, perhaps more. Now, beyond this level, the next resistance that we see for the Ethereum price is the next Fibonacci retracement, and it's also taking you up to this white line. This white line is this previous support, and I know there's many lines on the chart here, but basically that level is going to take you up between $2,464 and $2,500. That's where you want to take profit beyond that. I wouldn't hold the position any longer. That's where I would take my final take profit until we've cleared back above this support line. And we don't know if that's going to happen yet because we could still fall lower. But I am anticipating this relief rally. With the Bitcoin price, you can also see that we're quite oversold. You can see the relative strength index is down at 32. We are moving in this descending channel. So we have the resistance like here, one resistance, two, almost three. The support is like so, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can see more locally we're moving in between this channel, which you can see easier on the daily chart, and we're very well supported at this level, the $29,600 level. So for me, it's a great opportunity to open a long position. That's why I'm BYBIT, and by the way, using the link down below, guys, $4,100 for free when you make a deposit using my link down in the video description below. Also, guys, remember you can check out my BYBIT for beginners video. It's by far one of the easiest step-by-step beginners tutorials, and it covers everything. You can see there's 17 chapters, so you can watch, rewatch, skip ahead, whatever you need to learn. And guys, also in a couple of days we're going to be entering the World Series of Trading on BYBIT. So make sure you subscribe, because I'll be announcing further details on that, how you can join my team and how we can trade to victory, and we can win a share of the 8 million USDT prize pool. So guys, thanks for joining me. Videos on screen now to check out. I'm on Twitter at Marzell Money. Thanks for joining me, guys. See you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.